Hello friends, welcome to this channel Make Easy, in which you can find various video lectures on mechanical engineering. Today we will study about the subject operations research. The name of the topic is assignment theory. It contains a series of 4 video lectures. The first lecture is about introduction to assignment theory. You can find other lectures by clicking on I button on the top right corner, or you can find the link in description. Let us understand assignment theory by a practical example. Suppose you are a captain of a cricket team and you have data about a batsman A. If he bats on first position, he makes 30 runs on average, and if he bats on second position, he makes 40 runs. By ignoring all other data and all other factors and just keeping in mind the average of the previous runs, what will be your decision? Batsman A should bat on first position or second position? Obviously, the answer is he should bat on second position. Now let us have some more data. We have two batsmen A and B for position number 1 and 2. The average runs of batsman A is 30 and 40 for position 1 and 2. And the average run of the batsman B is 35 and 47 for position 1 and 2. Now as a captain, what should be your decision to maximize your team score? Obviously you will say batsman A should come first and batsman B should be on the second position to maximize the team score. Now if we consider the same situation for 3 batsmen like this, then we have to think more to get the correct positions which give the maximum team scores. And the same situation is there for 5 batsmen like this, then this will be a headache for you as a captain of team to find the particular combination which is having maximum team score, right? Don't worry, assignment theory can provide you easy and simple way to solve such problems. Here we have seen an example in which our objective was to maximize team score. Now let us take one more example which is having objective function to minimize something. Here the question is, the following is the matrix of assigning 4 operators to 4 jobs. Each operator is assigned only one job so as to minimize the total cost of jobs. What will be the total minimum job cost? The table is given. There are 4 operators, operator O1, O2, O3 and O4, and there are 4 jobs J1, J2, J3 and J4. If the operator O1 makes the job J1, then the cost of making is 2 rupees. The operator O1 makes the job J2, then the cost of making is 10 rupees. Operator O1 makes job J3, then the cost is 9 rupees, and operator O1 makes job J4, then the cost is 7 rupees, and so on. Now we have to find that particular combination in which total cost of making all 4 jobs is minimum. You can find the solution by trial and error method by checking various combinations, but if we go forward technically, then assignment theory can give us the solution of such type of problems. The next topic is why assignment is called a special case of transportation. For that, we should recall what is transportation. Let us understand it by an example. Okay, this is the particular case of transportation which is having some factories and some warehouses. There are 3 factories P, Q and R, and warehouses A, B and C. If we want to transfer some particular luggage from factory P to warehouse A, then the cost of transportation will be 5 units. The same cost from P to B is 2 units. From P to C it is 4 units. From Q to A it is 4 units, and so on. So this 3 by 3 matrix gives us the cost of transportation from factories P, Q, R to warehouses A, B and C. This last column is giving us the capacity of factories. For factory P the capacity is 12 unit, for Q capacity is 15 unit, and for R the capacity is 18 unit. And this last row is giving us the capacity or limit of warehouses. Warehouse A is having limit of 12, warehouse B is having the limit of 16, and for warehouse C the limit is 17. So this is the
example of transportation theory. Now, if we want to convert this transportation into assignment theory, or if we make some changes in this transportation problem, then for a particular case it will become the problem of assignment theory. And what is that change? If we replace the capacity of this factory P by any number, then after I will replace the capacity of factory Q and factory R also, so will become 1. So here the capacity of P, Q and R is 1. Okay, and similarly for the warehouses A, B and C, if I am changing the capacity or requirement to, then it will become the problem of the assignment theory. So if the capacity, or you can say requirement, of the all factories and all warehouses in this case is 1, then the problem of transportation is called the problem of assignment and can be solved by the methods of assignment theory. Okay, we will study this in detail in the next lectures. Now we will see various methods to solve the assignment problem. There are total 4 methods to solve the assignment problem. First one is enumeration method, second one is transportation method, third one is linear programming, and the fourth one is Hungarian method. The first one is enumeration method. It is also called trial and error method. In this method we will try all the combination and manually find that which is the best possible solution or which is the optimum solution. For example, if you are given a 4 by 4 matrix, then the number of possible combination is 4 factorial, that is 24. So you should try total 24 combinations to find the best possible solution. So it is not practically feasible, or we should not use it because it's a kind of bulky method. The next one is transportation method. We know that assignment is a special case of transportation. So by using the approach that we are using in transportation theory or transportation method, we can solve the problems of assignment theory also. But again, the approach that we are using in transportation method is little bit lengthy, so we should not go for this method, or it is not suggested to solve the assignment problem by using the method of transportation. Okay. The third one is linear programming. We know that any problem of operation research can be converted into linear programming, and we can solve all the problems by linear programming method, but again it will be very lengthy. And the last and most important method is Hungarian method. Hungarian method is a special kind of algorithm that will give us the solution of assignment problem by minimum effort. We will study about the Hungarian method in the video number 2, 3 and 4. This is the only important method out of these 4 methods that we will study in detail. Above 3 methods is not that much useful for us in this chapter. Okay. So that was all about the assignment theory. We have studied about the practical case or practical example of assignment theory. Then why assignment theory is called a special case of transportation theory. And in the last, we have studied about all 4 methods to solve the problem of assignment theory. And we have concluded that the Hungarian method is the best possible method or best available method to solve the assignment theory. So we will study about Hungarian method in video number 2, 3 and 4. If you like this video, then you can share it with your friends. You can subscribe to this channel, and if you are having any doubts or suggestions, then you can mention in the comment section. Thank you.